Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will continue delving into redox chemistry, oxidizing agents and reducing agents. Oxidizing agents and reducing agents are crucial in redox reactions, which involve the transfer of electrons between substances. Oxidizing agents. An oxidizing agent or oxidant is a substance that accepts electrons from another substance, is reduced in the process of oxidation, in other words, gains electrons, and causes oxidation of another substance. Characteristics of oxidizing agents. Oxidizing agents usually contain elements in high oxidation states, and they often contain electronegative elements such as oxygen, fluorine, or chlorine. Few examples include oxygen, chlorine, hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate, and dichromate ion. Reducing agents. A reducing agent, or a reductant, is a substance that donates electrons to another substance and is oxidized in the process, that is, losing electrons, and causes reduction of another substance. Characteristics of reducing agents. They often contain elements in low oxidation states. They tend to be electropositive or rich in hydrogen atoms. Examples include hydrogen gas, carbon, sodium, lithium aluminum hydride, and iron. Let's have a look at a possible exam question. Explain the following terms and give one example of each. 1. Oxidation agent. 2. Reducing agent. Answer. 1. An oxidizing agent is a substance that accepts electrons and is reduced in the process. For example, potassium permanganate. 2. A reducing agent is a substance that donates electrons to another substance, thereby undergoing oxidation itself in the process. For example, lithium aluminum hydride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share.